In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bar chart in Canva. We'll walk through the whole process from a blank design to a finished, polished chart that you can use in presentations, social media posts, or reports. I'll explain each step clearly so you can follow along in real time, even if you're completely new to Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. On the home page, decide where you want to use your bar chart. If it's for a presentation, you might choose a presentation-sized canvas. If it's for social media, pick the appropriate post size, like an Instagram post or a Facebook post. Click on the format you want, and Canva will open a new blank design. Now we're going to add the bar chart. On the left-hand side, look for the section that says Elements. Click that, then scroll down or use the search bar to look for charts. When the chart options appear, you'll see different styles like bar charts, line charts, and pie charts. Select the simple bar chart option. Canva will place a default chart onto your canvas. With the chart selected, you'll see a data panel open, usually at the top or on the side. This is where you enter your own information. Replace the sample labels, such as Category 1 or Series 1, with your actual category names. Then update the values for each bar to match your data. As you type in new numbers, you'll see the bars on your chart automatically adjust in size. If you have extra rows or columns you don't need, delete them. If you need more, simply add new ones. Once your data is in, it's time to customize the look. Use the chart settings to change the colors of the bars so they match your brand or the style of your presentation. You can adjust the font for the axis labels and values, change the size of the text, and tweak the grid lines if you want a cleaner or more detailed look. Take a moment to make sure everything is easy to read, and the contrast between the bars and the background is strong. Finally, position your chart on the page. You can resize it by dragging the corners and move it around until it fits nicely with any titles or additional content you plan to add. When you're happy with it, you can download your design or add more pages and elements around the chart to complete your project.